Aspirants, sa mga nagtatanong po kung paano mag-apply sa Staff House, ito po yung 4 steps. 1. Go to www.staffhouse.com/job-opportunities. 2. Click Canada. 3. Select job position. And 4. Click Apply Now. Hello aspirants! Para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-apply sa IPAMS, ito po yung 4 steps. 1. Go to www.ipams.com/jobseeker. Number 2, select country. Number 3, select job position. And 4, click register to apply. Hello aspirants! Para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-apply sa work abroad, ito po ang 4 steps. First, go to www.workabroad.ph. 2. Select jobs by country. 3. Select job by position. And 4. Click apply now. Good luck, thank you, and God bless. Hello aspirants, just go to dmw.gov.ph for licensed recruitment agencies, approved job orders, and upcoming job fairs. Hello aspirants, how to apply sa Job Bank? First, go to www.jobbank.gc.ca. Second, select foreign candidate from outside Canada. Third, enter job title. 4, click desired position. 5, scroll down and show how to apply. And 6, send your resume.